Welcome! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create and configure a WordPress.com OAuth 2.0 application using the WordPress Developer Portal. To begin, open the WordPress Developer Portal and select the option to create a new application. Enter a meaningful application name that clearly identifies your project. Then provide a short description explaining the purpose of your application or integration. Next, enter your website URL. This should be the primary domain where your application will be used. In this tutorial, we're using sample values for demonstration purposes. Now specify your OAuth redirect URL. This callback URL is where users will be redirected after successfully authorizing your application. Make sure this value exactly matches the redirect URL configured in your website or plugin. Otherwise, the authentication process may fail. If your application requires JavaScript authentication, enter your authorized JavaScript origins. These define which domains are permitted to initiate authentication requests and help improve the security of your integration. Complete the verification question, select Web as the application type, review the information you've entered, and click Create Application. Once the application has been created successfully, you'll be redirected to its configuration page. To personalize your application, upload a square application icon that represents your website or brand. This makes it easier to identify your application inside the developer portal. After selecting the icon, click Update to save your changes. Your WordPress.com OAuth 2.0 application has now been configured successfully. Under the OAuth information section, you'll find your client ID and client secret. These credentials are required when connecting your plugin or custom application to the WordPress.com API. Keep your client secret secure at all times. Never expose it in public repositories, front-end code, or anywhere it can be accessed by unauthorized users. You can now copy these credentials into your application and begin testing your OAuth integration. That's it. Your WordPress.com OAuth 2.0 application is now ready for integration and testing. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.